Alright, so welcome back, guys. We're taking a drive on Savannah Avenue in the community of Pleasanton. So it's Savannah Avenue and Tree Views Road. So stay tuned. On the right we have Boulevard Super Center, our Sovereign Boulevard, that's on the right. And then we're going on to Savannah Avenue. Just take a quick drive around this community, and it connects to Tree Views Road and then ends on Red Hills Road. So that's what we're doing today. And remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe if you're new. So once you see that subscribe button still red, just turn it gray, because I know sometimes you may watch and don't subscribe, but subscribing is free. So Savannah Avenue, if you guys are familiar with this side, just let me know in the comment section. It's right off the boulevard. That's where we came in. And as usual, if any of you guys have ever lived in this community, grew up in this community, or even still living in the community, just let us know in the comments section. So we take this right onto Tree Views Road, and this brings us back to Red Hills Road, as I mentioned. So I think I've ever only drive through this community only once. Alright, so leave your comments, guys, leave your thoughts. And this area is also called Pleasanton, or Pleasanton. Alright, guys, so stay tuned, enjoy the quick drive, and remember to leave your comment. And thanks for clicking on this video as usual. And of course, I'm your Discovery Boss, Rush. So we have an apartment complex coming up right in front of us. Modern design, not very big, it's a smaller type. Alright, so it's called Crest Vistas. Let me just give you guys a quick glimpse of it, because you guys know that's what we do on the channel, whether it's property, apartment, new development. I always like to, let you guys know what's going on. So just gonna give you guys a quick glimpse. Once I go in front, you guys should see a little better. Right, so it's Crest Vistas, and it's 19 Tree Views Avenue. I think I may have said road before, but it's Tree Views Avenue. Alright, so that's a quick glimpse. Let me just turn in the driveway, and then we go back onto our journey. So it looks like it's 3 floors. Alright, so as mentioned, this leads us back now onto Red Hills Road, where we will continue our journey. So it's Savannah Avenue, Tree Views Avenue, and then Red Hills Road. And then in front of us is the Lee's Food Fair and Family Pharmacy. So it's one of the main supermarkets around this side on Red Hills Road. And we know we have Price Mart up the road as well. To the left we have the Red Hills Mall, home to Island Grill and some other complexes. So we just passed the Red Hills Mall, and then this is the Total gas station for Red Hills Road. Alright guys, so just a quick driving video just showing you guys some other areas in Kingston, other areas around the corporate area. So definitely like, share, leave a comment, and I'll definitely see you on another video.